Channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called fried kale. This kind of kale with the chicken breast. We have 3 pieces of chicken breast, close to probably 1 pound, and a handful of kales. And Chinese name called 羽衣甘蓝炒鸡肉. And the main ingredient we need a handful of kales and close to 1 pound of chicken breast and 2 scallions and 1 teaspoon ginger, chopped ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut the scallion and cut the root off. This scallion already washed it, peel the dead leaves and the skin. We just cut it and cut it small and chop. Okay, this is kind of this is kind of pure we get. We should cut this part off. The connector to stand the part because it's hard to trim. Okay, and then we just chop it. We chop it up. Now, just probably this wide or too big. This is a kale we get. We got some ginger. We got a lot of ginger. 1 teaspoon ginger, so we just cut it slowly. Probably a few 4 or 5 pieces, and we just cut it very small. If you cut it small, then later you can chop it really small. We cut the chicken breast. The chicken breast is like this. We just cut it. Just cut from the 2 pieces from the middle, so get 2 chicken breast. Then we cut it along the fiber. This fiber is good. This way, we just cut it along the fiber, and just cut it, slice it like this, side and like this. Just cut it. chicken again. This is a plain salt. We add half teaspoon plain salt to it. This is a black pepper. We add a pinch black pepper to it. Don't add too much. This is cooking wine. We add 1 teaspoon cooking wine to it. This is the potato starch. We add 1 tablespoon potato starch into it. Now just mix it. You rub it. Mix it. So this way we can keep the chicken between the chicken breast and the very fried. So we don't fry with cube. Okay, it's mixed well. You can see it's mixed well. I just leave it here. The flavor, I think we go to eat. On the stove. Medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add a 1/4 cup of oil to the, because we fry a lot of chicken. So chicken didn't have a lot of fat in the meat, so we need to add probably I think a quarter cup of the vegetable oil. So this way, and I don't want so the chicken won't to stick it to the pot, and because the chicken didn't have a lot of fat in it. Okay, we added the ginger into it. The oil start frying. We added the ginger and chopped ginger and scallion into it, and slowly fry until they release good smell. This star anise we also put into it to fry it. When the scallion, ginger, and star anise release good smell, we add the chicken into it. And slowly fry until chicken is fully cooked. Just slowly fry and let chicken be fully cooked. And to move the chicken, don't let chicken to stick to the pot. So that's why we need to add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, because this way, so the chicken won't stick to the pot while we frying. While we start frying, so we need to add a little more oil. Like usually we add the pork, we don't add this much oil. We just add 2 tablespoons oil. But this one we need to add a little more and slowly fry until the chicken is fully cooked and become white. And when you fully cooked and become white and the inside is no paint, then the chicken is fully cooked. Just slowly fry. But mostly you see the chickens all become white. You don't see the paint out of the chicken, and we add the kales into it, and the kale, and fry kale. Remember, we already add a half teaspoon of salt to the chicken, so right now we don't add the salt to the dish, but we can add some more. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it, added by side of the pot. We add a 1/4 cup of cold tap water to along the apart and mix it. Okay. And cover the lids, let the chicken cure to cook until the chicken is fully cooked and the cure is become soft, easy to chew. Will be cooked. Then this dish will be done. Okay, after cook, we will check the chicken and the cure to see if the cure is fully cooked or not. Cure. I feel the cure is really good, very tender. Let me check the chicken. The chicken also fully cooked. So this dish is done. I turn off the stove. So fried kale with chicken. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.